Hey, so I'm delighted to introduce the world's first Google Ads course targeted specifically to the busy DTC brand operator. That's you. Look, you have a business to run and products to ship. You don't have 40 hours to watch some masterclass on buttons that aren't actually going to move the needle for your bottom line with Google Ads. I find that most Google Ads advice and courses are made for agencies with big teams, but you're a smaller D2C brand and you're likely at a crossroads. You can't afford a $2,000 or $20,000 a month retainer yet, but you can't keep letting Google's smart defaults vacuum up your margin either. So that's why I built this course. Think of it less like a course and more like a personal recorded mentorship with me. I'm stripping away the platform noise to show you less of the settings that you'll never need to care about again, and more of the exact big picture playbook to capture demand as efficiently as possible. We'll even answer questions like, should you be even starting on Google Ads right now? So stop guessing, stop donating your profit to Google, and let's get to work learning Google Ads together.